Somewhere on a playing field in the United States, a sense of pride and team building is about to take place. What makes this moment possible? The unsung hero we know as a T-shirt. Let's take a look at how this unique American creation found its way to its new owner. The story of most T-shirts begins in American cotton fields. The cotton is cleaned, combed, and spun into yarn. The yarn then travels to a textile facility, many of which are located in the Americas. In this plant in the Dominican Republic, where the impact of the environment is considered throughout the production process, skilled workers oversee all aspects of a T-shirt's creation. This includes knitting yarn into a natural fabric, testing that fabric for quality, and cutting the fabric. The cut pieces then arrive at the machines of skilled sewers. These jobs provide workers in developing countries a safe working environment. They are provided health care for their families and taught job skills in their communities, where education and employment opportunities might otherwise be scarce. The T-shirts then journey back to the U.S. T-shirt suppliers receive and inventory the goods, awaiting orders that will outfit America's teams, communities, and events. It takes football stadium-sized warehouses to meet all the demand for our nation's T-shirt needs. Every order is individually pulled and packaged for shipment by employees who take pride in a job well done. Shirts then arrive at screen printing and other creative design shops, where ideas are brought to life on the T-shirt canvas. This last leg of our shirt's travels turn it from a basic tee into a unique creation. The final result of this amazing journey from a cotton field is a T-shirt that builds community, inspires pride, and reminds us of some of our favorite experiences in life. All of this for less than the cost of a couple of movie tickets.